But what we have here is, see, it's got a 19.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. Battery is 619. This is what I've all done to it. It's got a brand new carburetor on there that I put on there. Fuel filter. Air breather. Got a brand new one of those on there. But we'll come right over here and I'll show you. First thing you gotta do is you gotta locate where the spark plug is, and it is right here. Normally right here on the front end. If you got a V-twin, there'll be one on each side, but this one here is it's got one. And the only thing you really do is you gotta just pull the spark plug wire off of there. And then you get yourself a spark plug wrench. Place it on here like this. Get it loose. This has got a brand new spark plug in it. Just the purpose of this video is just to educate people on how to change a spark plug, do-it-yourself replacement. So what you do is you take the old one out, right, and then you get your new one, get it out of the package, and you just do the exact opposite reverse. Put it back in here like this. Making sure you don't cross thread it. Get your wrench. Get it a good snug. Put your wire back on there until it gets good and snap. And that's all there is to it. There ain't really nothing. All to changing a spark plug into a lawnmower. But I hope this helps everybody out. Like I said, a lot of people's going to say, well, that's obvious. Well, there might be somebody out there that don't know how to do it. This is the starter. So I hope this video helped you out. And if you liked it with the content that I'm putting on there, please like, share, and subscribe. It doesn't take much to subscribe. All you guys just push. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you could, heck, give me some hyper points. There's a new thing going on that you can hype a video. I like to get somebody to start hyping some of my videos up. Well, that's it for this episode today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the content. I got much more coming your way. And I'm going to try to get one at least once a week, and I got some shorts coming in. If you want to see how this John Deere looked like before I even started working on it, I do have a short about the video, and I'll leave a link to it down there in the description so you guys can go check that out as well. So until the next time, thank you, and see you next time.